Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Shapiro Library's online research guides. In this tutorial, we will walk through what research guides are, where to find them, and how to use them to support you in your studies. Let's get started. Research guides are online resources designed to direct you to relevant information and research tips, and overall to help you navigate Shapiro Library's resources. To access Shapiro Library's research guides, you can go to the Shapiro Library homepage, then select Research and Teaching Support from the navigation bar at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select All Guides from the middle column labeled Research Guides. This will take you to an alphabetized list of all of the library's guides. The default sorting method for the list is All Guides, but you can also search for guides by subject or by type. If you click on Search by Subject, you can choose from a list of programs of study. If you click on Search by Type, you can choose from course guides, general purpose guides, subject guides, and topic guides. You can also search for a specific guide or a specific topic by typing keywords into the search bar on the Research Guides homepage. I will type citation into the search bar, then select Search. My results list includes links to all of the pages and different guides that discuss citation, so that I can choose the one that is the most relevant for me. I'm going to select the Anthropology subject guide to demonstrate some of the ways library research guides can support you in your coursework. Library research guides are generally set up with a welcome page as the home page and a series of navigational tabs with subtopics on the left side of the page. Guides like this one help give you a starting point for your research. For example, under the Finding Articles tab, the guide lists recommended databases for the subject as well as key journals. Guides often have other resources as well for things like writing help or support with citations. At the beginning of each semester, it's a good idea to check the list of library research guides to see if there is a course or subject guide for your classes or program of study, as these are incredibly helpful online resources. If you have any questions about library resources, feel free to reach out to our library team via chat on the Shapiro Library homepage or by email at ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your research!